Hello, my people. I am here with one amazing sister of mine. Her name is
Deborah.
Deborah. Deborah is a wonderful girl. She's a lucky girl because I met her this evening and asked her some questions. She's twin. Her twin is a brother, is a boy. So I need and I wanted to do this on Friday, mana. She's a lucky girl. On Saturday, Uche maintain when no South Africa. Where the message where some now ocho ko tiele me ego meji we made data. When you make me data, I'm surprised. Uche maintain you are an amazing person. So konye zemia nchobazo cause are from your bros no ego kan zemia ketana. Na ego data onye zemu kancho anji kanwa ko gakwa akwa akwụkwọ o so no nwere akwa akwụkwọ no ebido no ya akwa akwa wait to me enweta akwa akwụkwọ. She's beautiful, amazing girl, very honest and very simple, very good girl. So we love one another and we continue to do this to make sure that our people are well placed. Okay? We shall maintain. Keep on doing the good work. I love you. Thank you so much for what you've done. Yeah? Other easy. So and I'm asking you to say more grease to your elbow. More grease to your elbow. If I am Nathan Gizieme, you want to go. Don't answer about me. Mana Igbo to continue to bless you. Now, I want you to say that Igbo Amaka.
Igbo Amaka.
Say it again.
Igbo Amaka.
Chai, beautiful girl. Now, I got get back at Quaqua. Mob no to see me like get back at Quaqua. Aqua go to the Aqua, also go to the Benny fan. What I won't guy for again. I met up Qualia. Gisiani Igbo Amaka.